So it's the 4th of July, and the annual tradition is they close down 2 of the runways here in Bishop, and soon this entire runway, as you can see in this direction and all the way in this direction, will be fireworks. It's gonna be crazy. And then in the evening, or it is the evening, isn't it? When it gets dark, they light the fireworks literally right there. So they'll be above us. And thank God the wind is blowing that way, because if not, the mortar shells would actually fall on us. Here comes the, whoever catches first fish gets $5. Do they still have the $5 foot long at Subway? Because that could be like a full-on sandwich, dude.
Yeah, it is.
$5. Do they charge tax though?
I don't know. When's the last time do you think we were there?
When I found out that they were owned by McDonald's.
They are?
Yeah. I stopped going. Come on. I need that sandwich. $5. $5. Oh! I got hit good. Oh, here comes another one. Come on, baby. One of you wants this. Come on, one of you wants this. $5. Come on. Oh, there's 3 fish right there.
I
Got him! Yeah!
Cut his line.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Jaspin's paying.
Look at that.
Sponsor.
I'm gonna get a picture for my fish brain app. Kim wants to give him a good kiss.
No, she doesn't.
So I got my pole down. I'm slowly reeling in, and I'm getting that tag like that. And then I got that fish, and that would make 2. Oh, he's not bad. He's a little small guy again, but he's a...
The same one you have.
No, he's a brown. He's beautiful. I'm gonna get a picture of this guy. Sweet, look at that. Look at those colors, man. Look at, bring him in. Oh, you got a brown too. Or Brooke. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's great. That's great. Good. Oh, nice little fish. Look here. Right, Ed 3's got one here, but he's over the tree. So we're curious if he's going to be able to get him in. Like, just bring him through the trees. I know it's horrible, but... More, tighten your tension. Oh.